Hey guys, it's Jared here. I just wanted to do a room tour for a while, so yeah, here we go. So this is the room. So this is my main desk. So yeah, I've got the keyboard, mouse there, monitor, and got this gaming chair. Brighten that up for you a little. Yeah. So that's nice. I'll move this gaming chair. There we go. So now you can kind of see the whole setup. So yeah, I've got a full home theater in here. So speaker there, and then speaker over there. And then I've also got one in the corner here for surround, and another in the corner there for surround. So what else here? So yep. You probably can't see that very well, but that's my gaming PC. The specs are i7 8700K. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, and it's got 512 gig SSD, a terabyte hard drive, and a 4 terabyte hard drive. And it's got a GTX 1080. So that's the main specs of that. I think an 850 watt power supply. Yeah, those are kind of the main specs, and then just a Corsair K70 RGB keyboard, and then just a cheap Amazon mouse, and then this Corsair nice gaming mouse pad here. And the monitor is a 24-inch 1440p monitor, just a standard one, just 60 hertz, nothing super fancy. And this TV here is an older model Toshiba, but it's a 42-inch 1080p. So that works. It works great. And let's see, what else do we have? And then, if my camera wants to focus here, there we go. And then up here, I've got these lights. They're not really, yeah, they look a little different, but yeah, they look more normal in real life, but on the camera they look a little green for some reason. Yeah. So yeah, they go all the way around the room, and then there's just a kind of blank spot in the back there. Okay, moving on. I got this cool wolf wall sticker thing. It's all vinyl. It's pretty cool because it looks like it's kind of a painting. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And then here I've got my hammock. I actually got a hammock hook there, and then on the other side, right up here, I've got a hammock hook, so I can set that up if I want, which is pretty nice. And let's see here, posters. I've got this poster there, mountain biking poster, and at the back I got a nice nature scene poster. And then what else here? And then another nature forest poster here. Yeah. And then let's see what else here. Oh yeah, I've got a cool wolf blanket thing. If my camera will focus. Nope. So I will focus it. There we go. Yep, cool wolf blanket. And over here, just a little fox and some hand cream. Then phone charger down there. And let's see here. And then, yeah, and then I'll show you the closet. So I just custom built some shelving in this closet actually. So let me back up a little. Yeah, so now this is all custom shelving here. Let me just focus my camera. Here we go. So yeah, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. So at the bottom I've got my spare electronic stuff and clothes, second shelf clothes, and then I got my home theater receiver here. Puts out a lot of power, so that's fun. And then here's tools, VR headset, laptop, headphones, and then files and MISC boxes on the top there. And and then just some coats and stuff here. Let me close this. Okay, and then something cool on my phone here. Let's see if I can get that out. Let me just focus that. There we go. So I can actually control my light up there. For example, turn off my phone. Yep. And it goes on, and it's actually also RGB. So I can make a blue, pink, red, yellow, green, you know, all that sorts of colors, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Fun stuff like that. I'll actually leave this on because it's a lot better lighting. I just wanted the dim light before because it's easier to see everything, but now I can kind of adjust these settings on the camera a little better here. And here's one last look at everything in case it was hard to see before. Posters, TV, computer monitor, speakers. Oh yeah, I guess I can show you the speakers a little more here. There's energy speaker. I really like audio stuff, so I have a lot of speakers. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's got like a carbon fiber finish or something like that. I just put that back on. There we go. And those are just NHT speakers. They sound pretty good. And then this guy here is the big boy subwoofer. Let me brighten this up for you. There we go. This is the David D-Box 300. So I'll take this off and you can see how big it is. It is a 12-inch dual ports. And for this size of room, it is definitely more than enough. And it will give you a bit of a back massage, which is pretty fun. Yeah. So put that back on. Cool, and that is just a pellet gun. It's fun to shoot stuff in the backyard sometimes. And oh yeah, here we got a microphone. It's that one from Amazon, come on, focus. There we go. 5 Fine or something like that. But yeah, it's nice because if I'm working here, I can just grab it and put it here, adjust it, height, tilt, all that good stuff. And then if I don't want that, I just put it back here. Yeah, and headphones are still Series Arctis 5. And yeah, you can probably get a better look at the gaming PC now. The lights are on. Let me brighten that up for you. Oh yeah, so I have all the lights off in it because I like to watch movies, but yeah, it's pretty hard to see. So yeah, there you go. Cool, and then there's just some cable management. It's not the best, but it's still decent. And yeah, I think that about sums it up. A better look at those posters if you're interested. And then on my back, I got a Microsoft Band poster going to the hallway, and then some coats and my work bag. And then at the top here, we just got some pictures, memories, Hawaii cars, and stuff like that. And yeah, I think that's about it. And then just here, we got some PJs and more PJs, and yeah, and then to run power to my closet, I've actually got this tube here. You can see that. Yeah, so that tubing goes here. It goes into the wall in my closet. That's how I'm able to get power, lights, and put the receiver amp in my closet. And yeah, and then I got a little plant here that I forget to water sometimes, but it's still there somehow. So good job, plant. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna turn those lights back off with my phone here. Just do that. And boop. There we go. Yeah, so I like it personally better like this lighting. It's a lot easier on the eyes, and all the RGB stuff looks cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. That's about it for now. And yeah, I hope you all have a good rest of the day or night, and take care. Actually, there's one more thing I should show you. Warning, there's gonna be flashing lights, but I can dim these lights first, which is really nice. As you can see there, I'll actually dim them a little bit here and get the camera to focus again. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. Yeah, so and then I can also change these lights and have a little party. I'll show you. Just wait for that drop here. And there we go. So yeah, you can have like pretty fun little party in here and stuff. Yeah, and if we turn this all off, then yeah, there we go. And you have these flashing and stuff. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Well, hope you enjoyed that as well. Alright, see you guys.